Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. The unsung heroes of the economy, the role of professional repair shops. In an increasingly disposable society, where replacing items often seems more convenient than fixing them, professional repair shops stand as a crucial pillar of both the economy and sustainable living. These businesses, often overlooked, provide essential services that go beyond merely fixing broken items. They contribute to economic growth, environmental conservation, and community well-being, while also offering consumers a reliable alternative to the throwaway culture. By expanding on the role of professional repair shops, we can better understand their multifaceted impact and the challenges they face in today's market. The economic backbone. Professional repair shops and local economies. Job creation and economic growth. Professional repair shops are essential contributors to local economies. Small and medium-sized businesses dominate this sector, providing jobs and stimulating economic activity within communities. The repair and maintenance industry encompasses a wide range of services, including automotive repair, home appliance maintenance, electronics repair, and more. Each of these sectors creates employment opportunities, from skilled technicians to administrative staff, and supports the livelihoods of millions of people. In the United States alone, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the repair and maintenance industry employs over 1 million workers and generates billions of dollars in revenue annually. These businesses not only provide stable jobs but also contribute to the local economy by keeping money circulating within the community. When consumers choose to repair rather than replace, they support local enterprises, helping them thrive and sustain their operations. This local spending creates a multiplier effect, where the income generated by repair shops is re-spent in other local businesses, further fueling economic growth. Moreover, professional repair shops often serve as incubators for entrepreneurship. Many repair technicians eventually open their own businesses, contributing to the diversity and resilience of the local economy. These small businesses are essential to maintaining the fabric of local communities, offering services that larger corporations often overlook. Reducing waste and promoting sustainability. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, professional repair shops play a vital role in reducing waste and conserving resources. The current model of fast consumerism encourages the disposal of goods at the first sign of malfunction, leading to significant environmental impacts. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, millions of tons of electronic waste, e-waste, are discarded annually, much of which ends up in landfills or is improperly recycled, posing severe environmental hazards. Repairing and maintaining products instead of discarding them reduces the demand for new items, which in turn decreases the extraction of raw materials, energy consumption, and greenhouse gas emissions associated with manufacturing. For example, repairing a smartphone or a laptop can prevent several pounds of electronic waste from ending up in landfills and reduce the need for new devices, which require mining for precious metals and the use of toxic chemicals during production. By promoting repair over replacement, professional repair shops contribute to a circular economy, where products and materials are kept in use for as long as possible. This approach not only reduces waste but also extends the life of products, making them more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. In this way, repair shops help shift consumer behavior towards more sustainable practices, emphasizing the value of preservation and resourcefulness. Consumer benefits. Why professional repair shops matter. Expertise and quality workmanship. One of the primary benefits of using professional repair shops is the expertise and quality workmanship they provide. Professional technicians possess specialized knowledge and skills that enable them to diagnose and fix problems efficiently and effectively. This expertise is particularly important when dealing with complex systems, such as automotive engines, home appliances, or electronic devices, where improper repairs can lead to further damage, safety hazards, or voided warranties. The value of professional repair shops lies not just in their ability to fix things, but in their commitment to doing so correctly. Certified mechanics and technicians are trained to adhere to industry standards and use the appropriate tools and parts for each repair. This ensures that the repair is done right the first time, reducing the likelihood of repeat issues and providing peace of mind to consumers. In contrast, DIY repairs or unlicensed services may lack the necessary knowledge and equipment, leading to subpar results and potential risks. Convenience and time saving. For many people, time is a precious commodity. Professional repair shops offer a convenient solution to the hassle of fixing broken items. Instead of spending hours researching how to repair something or attempting a DIY fix, consumers can rely on professionals to handle the job quickly and efficiently. Repair shops often offer flexible scheduling, pick-up and drop-off services, and even mobile repair options, making the process as convenient as possible for busy customers. The time-saving aspect of professional repair shops is particularly valuable for complex or time-consuming repairs that require specialized tools or expertise. For example, repairing a vehicle's transmission or diagnosing an issue with a household HVAC system can be daunting and time-consuming for the average person. Professional repair shops have the necessary experience and equipment to complete these tasks promptly, allowing consumers to focus on other priorities. Moreover, professional repair shops often have access to parts and resources that are not readily available to the general public. This allows them to complete repairs more quickly and efficiently, reducing the downtime associated with broken items. For consumers, this means less disruption to their daily lives and faster resolution of issues. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll explore how to choose the right repair shop and what to expect during your visits. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.